Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can post an image in Instagram. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Instagram, then go to the bottom and click on the plus. Now, as you can see here, you will see your images and videos. So for me, I will choose this image, for example. You can add multiple images if you want. You can click and hold on another one, like this, and you can choose how many images you want. Okay. So for me, I will choose just this one. Okay. After that, click on next here at the top right. Now, as you can see here, you can add some music if you want. Click here. You can add any music you want. And you can add text. You can type any text. You can change the font from here. Click on done after you finish. After that, click on next at the bottom right. Then you can add a caption here if you want. And you can add your location. For example, New York, New York, New York, like this, as you can see. And after that, just click on share. Finishing up, as you can see. And this is our new post, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.